Hello, this is Avinash, and my register number is 015CS321. So today we'll look at the third experiment of Unix and Linux lab. So the third experiment has 5 subtopics under it. So these are the subtopics. First, we have to find factorial of number, sum of current series, Fibonacci series, multiplication table, and scientific calculator. So these are the required operations or the programs which need to be done. So this is the code for the factorial one. So I get the input from the user, and then I have assigned two values to two variables, a equals to 1, b equals to 1. And while ampersand n is not equals to 0, if it is not equals to 0, then the loop will be started. Do a echo ampersand a slash into ampersand n slash bc, and n equals to echo slash n minus ampersand b slash bc, and then echo a. So let's see whether this program is being run or not. So it gives some integer 3, as factorial of 3 is 3 into factorial of 3 is 3 into 2 into 1, so it will be 6. So the value has been printed, so the first program is being run successfully. So the second question is sum of given series, and this is the code for that. First you give a number, echo number, and give a, and that will be stored in num. And I've declared sum equals 0, and I've given a photo over here for I equals to 1 and I less than or equals to num. I is equals to I plus 2, so I'm incrementing by twice, like I'm incrementing it with plus 2. So 2 sum is equals to expression plus I echo, and then I'm storing this all the whole value in sum. Once it's done, echo the sum of odd series is ampersand sum. So the sum of odd series will be printed over there. Sum equals to 0. For I equals to 0, I less than num, I plus plus. I'm just incrementing over there. Do temp is equals to 1. I'm declared some temporary variable called temp is equals to 1. For j equals to 1, j is greater than or equals to 0, j minus minus. I'm doing temp is equals to expression ampersand temp slash into ampersand j. So the value of ampersand j and ampersand temp will be divided and multiplied. Done. And once that is done, the value will be printed, and the sum of factorial series is sum of the value will be printed on the output screen. So let's see the program whether it's being run or not. The sum of odd series is 4 and the sum of factorial series is 9. So the program is being run successfully. Let's look at the third program, that is Fibonacci series. So this is the code for the Fibonacci series. So here what I've done, enter the range. So a range will be entered by the user, and that will be read and it will be stored in the variable called n. And I've taken three variables, and I've declared and I've assigned the values to them. A equals to 0, b equals to 1, c equals to 0. And I've given a while condition over here. While ampersand n is not equals to 0, do echo ampersand a plus ampersand b, a equals to ampersand b, b is equals to ampersand c. So what basically is happening over here is, so echo ampersand a plus ampersand b slash bc, and the value of ampersand will be stored in a, and value of ampersand c will be stored in b. So once that is done, the value of the result of c will be printed on the output screen, because the value of c will be the final value. So the result will be printed on the output screen. Let's see the output now. Into the range. See, the result is 3 because that's the range. So the result of the Fibonacci series is 3. So the third program has been compiled. So this is the fourth program, that is a multiplication table. So echo so basically multiplication has to be done when you multiply two numbers. So for that reason I've taken two variables over here, read m and read n, and I is equals to 2. So I've taken the constant value because I'm just doing with 2. So what happens is, here is echo ampersand n plus l slash bc, and I have given a while condition over here, and while ampersand I is not equals to ampersand n, then what happens is that echo ampersand n into ampersand I. So that condition will be applied here. Ampersand n into ampersand I echo ampersand m into ampersand I is equals to C. That value will be stored in C and that value will be printed. So let's see the output now. Enter table 2, enter number 3. So 2 into 4, 2 to the 4, 2 3 to 6. So basically, I have already given in the input and I have given 3. So 2 to the 4, it has been divided, and 2 to the 6, it has been divided. So it has been run and compiled successfully. So all the programs have been compiled and run successfully. So the third program is done. Thank you.